Today, we're totally geeking out on the massive economics of high-tech indoor agriculture. Get this, building a 5-acre next-gen vertical farm, it takes a staggering $130 to $150 million. So where's that money going? Well, per hectare, you're dropping $35 million on structure and $12 on climate. Plus, those crazy multi-tiered vertical racks and custom LED setups, yeah, they demand serious upfront cash. Now, unoptimized grid power can actually drain 90% of revenue, but just a 5% efficiency gain. Game changer. Want lower operating costs? Enter the combined heat and power engine, hitting a mind-blowing 90% efficiency. This single beast converts fuel to electricity, handles all your climate control, and pumps out pure CO2 exhaust. Pair that whole setup with solar panels, and you can slash facility energy costs by a massive 35%. The environmental payoff? Absolutely huge. These precision hydroponic systems practically eliminate water waste completely. And yields? These high-tech environments push out 10 to 20 times more crops than traditional open field farming. Oh, and remember that pure engine CO2? Pumping that into the canopy boosts yields another 20 to 30%. So, with 9.7 billion mouths to feed by 2050, are these $150 million megafarms our only affordable future?